Hey everyone, this is Ben with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the salary of a dental hygienist. I'll also give you a brief overview of what a dental hygienist does and the educational requirements to enter this field. And this is a part of a continuing series I've been doing on different salary statistics on different healthcare professions. So let's get started. First of all, what does a dental hygienist actually do? Well, anytime you go to the dentist for a checkup or to have repairs or whatever, you're probably going to see the dental hygienist first. And typically what they will do is they will clean and examine your teeth for signs of oral disease. They remove tartar, stains, and plaque. They will also take and develop x-rays, and they will keep track of your treatment plans and so forth. What tends to happen with me is every time I go to the dentist, I will get a really chatty dental hygienist, and they will be asking me all kinds of questions about how was my summer, am I married, etc., etc., and I'm trying to answer and they have their fingers in my mouth, so it's like, I had a great summer, thank you. It's really sort of weird how they do that, but anyway. Now let's talk about the education requirements, and then we're going to get into these salary statistics. Well, if you want to become a dental hygienist, first of all, you're going to need a GED or high school diploma first, and then you're going to enter an associate's degree program. That's typically how you become a dental hygienist. And that takes about 2 years, maybe up to 3, depending on how many prerequisites you have to take and so forth. There are a few bachelor's programs, but those are relatively rare, and most dental hygienists just go through an associate's program. Now, once you pass that, you can obtain licensure by passing the National Board of Dental Hygiene examination. And when you do that, of course, you can become licensed and practice and so forth. Now, let's talk about some of these interesting salary statistics. I got all these figures from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, so they come from the government agency. And the average hourly wage for dental hygienists was $34.60 in the United States. The average salary was $71,970. Now, that's just average. You may make more or you may make less than that. If you're just starting out, you'll probably make a little bit less than that, because you have to keep in mind some people have been in it for decades, and so they're earning at the highest realm possible, and you're an entry level, so you probably earn a little bit less, but you could move up and it's pretty good. The outlook for this is 33% growth. That's what's projected by the Bureau of Labor Statistics from year 2012 to 2022. So there's pretty good demand outlook for this type of job. Now let's talk about some of these factors that can affect your salary, because the state in which you live, the industry in which you work, and all those things can affect how much you actually make. So let's look at some numbers. First of all, the industries with the highest level of employment for dental hygienists was, number one, offices of dentists at $72,300. The number 2 industry with the highest employment was employment services at $69,360. And then offices of physicians, $67,440. So if you get hired, probably going to be looking at one of those type of employers on average. Now, what are the top paying industries? Well, business and professional organizations came in at number 1 at $74,910 for the average. Offices of dentists, again, that was $72,300. And then the third top paying industries was employment services at $69,360. Now let's talk the top 3 and bottom 3 states. The top 3 paying states: District of Columbia, $95,570. California came in at number 2 at $94,370. And then Washington came in at number 3, $91,370. The lowest paying states: number 1, Alabama at $44,070. South Carolina at $54,430. And West Virginia, $54,680. So not a bad salary and job outlook at all. And again, we're doing a whole series on different healthcare professions, so you want to subscribe to our channel or check out different videos that I've made on this topic. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.